100 bands on the blockchain, ain't cash out. Got a diamond hand to the moon kid. Trading moonbeam with a bad bitch. 13 G's in a V-chain. Got a smart chip in a Louis bag. Ledger Nano stacking Polygon Matic. Bust down paddock, eating fresh filet mignon. What a wonderful day to play. We only was next to dead. We tokenized, got the private kids, the bubble lines on the bed.
Good evening, future crypto millionaires. I am your host, Blockchain Wolf. So you want to buy some cryptocurrency, right? You want to get that bag up. You want to get that money on, huh? You're going to be buying it on exchanges. Go to the exchanges. That's where you get your cryptocurrency at, right? That's where I get all mine at. I have never bought cryptocurrency anywhere else. If you don't know what a cryptocurrency exchange is, I'm about to tell you right now. Number 1, Coinbase. Number 2, Crypto.com. These are apps on your phone, iPhone, Android, whatever kind of phone you got. As long as it's not a flip phone, you can get this on there. Uphold. These 3 are the ones that I use personally. You know, they have many more, but I only dealt with these 3. Coinbase. This is the one I started with. This is where I learned a lot, you know, dealing with Coinbase. Coinbase, their fees are a little bit more expensive when buying crypto versus the other 2. I stopped using Coinbase because I'm all about, like, I want to be excited when I'm doing this, you know, and it's fun, but as you can see, this app doesn't look that exciting. You know, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's just white and black and, you know, it has little boring colors and stuff. Other than that, if that doesn't bother you, then hey, go with Coinbase. Crypto.com is way more exciting, as you can see. It looks like you like really into something, like, you know, you really into that blockchain now. You know what I'm saying? So you can actually invest into this company here. Number 3, Uphold. I currently use Uphold. The reason I went with Uphold is because when XRP was going through the lawsuit with the SEC, all of the exchanges delisted it. Delisted means that they took it off of the platform where you could no longer buy, sell it, trade it. You couldn't do nothing with it for a long time, over a year. You couldn't, I think it was like 2 years if I'm not mistaken. Well, we all still wanted to go buy XRP. We trying to buy XRP, right? Well, Uphold was the place to do it because the guy that runs Uphold, he said, hey, I'm not about to delist the coin. They didn't tell us to delist it, so I'm not about to delist it. He left it on his platform. Therefore, everybody was still able to get into that bag, right? A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Crypto exchanges also offer storage for crypto and price discovery through trading activity. So basically, this is just a place to where you go. It's a store, guys. It's a store. You just go buy your crypto on there. I know you guys are wondering, is it safe? Using a cryptocurrency exchange to store or exchange your fiat currency and digital assets can be extremely risky. I'll be showing you guys in the next video how to keep your crypto safe. And that's all it is to it. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to say this one time and one time only. Don't be a dummy. Get some money.
5, 4, 3, 2, moon rocks, moon boots, yeah. Blockchain, 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 metaverse. Cosmos, Philo, Tello, Gino, yeah. Blockchain, 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 blockchain.